Commercial claims that shocked the industry, real stories and lessons dramatically engaging US audience-focused intro 0 o'clock to 0:40 camera pushes in. Dramatic music fades in. Host, welcome back to the Coverage Council, the channel where we break down the real stories insurance companies Dan T want in the spotlight, and the lessons that can literally save your business from a financial nightmare. Today, we re-diving into commercial claims that shocked the industry. True stories from across the United States that are dramatic, unexpected, and honestly, hard to believe. People love unusual losses, and these are some of the wildest ever filed. Let's get into it. 1. The restaurant flooded. From the sky 0:42 to 20, toast. Most business owners fear water damage from the ground, storms, pipes, or flash floods. But this restaurant in Cleveland, Ohio got destroyed. From above, an ancient fire suppression water tank on the roof, something the owner didn't even know existed, burst in the middle of the night. Thousands of gallons of water came crashing straight through the ceiling, destroying the dining room, soaking the electrical system, ruining inventory, and shutting the restaurant down for months. Cut to dramatic pause. Host, the total $850,000 in losses from something literally sitting above their heads. Unnoticed for years. Lesson: if you buy an older commercial property, always get a full structural and mechanical inspection. Old buildings hide expensive secrets. 2. The $12 million grocery store fire caused by Bird 222-410 host. I know this sounds made up, but it's 100% real. A grocery store in Northern California burned to the ground. Total loss. When investigators dug into the cause, it wasn't faulty wiring. It wasn't arson. It was a bird. A small bird had built a nest on top of an electrical transformer. Dry straw plus live wiring equals sparks. Sparks plus wind equals a full inferno. Host. And just like that, the insurer paid out almost $12 million in property damage, refrigeration loss, and business interruption. Lesson: nature can destroy a business just as easily as a storm. If you have outdoor electrical units, inspect them regularly. 3. The brewery destroyed by one simple human mistake for 10 to 5:45 host, one of the fastest growing breweries in Colorado. Nearly collapsed financially and literally because of one small oversight. One night, an employee forgot to secure a fermentation tank valve. Overnight, thousands of gallons of beer leaked out onto the floor. The beer shorted electrical panels, destroyed compressors, ruined inventory, and forced the brewery to shut down for nearly a month. Host the total claim, $1.4 million, all because of one valve left open. Lesson: human error is one of the most expensive causes of commercial losses. Training and checklists aren't optional, they save companies. For the mold-infested hotel that nearly went under at 5:45 to 7:20 host in Florida. A beachfront hotel started getting strange guest complaints, musty smell, headaches, humidity issues. Turns out there was a tiny hidden pipe leak behind a wall on the third floor. It leaked quietly for months. By the time they discovered the problem, black mold had spread through walls. Insulation, carpeting, and even the HVAC system. It cost nearly $6 million to remediate and rebuild. Mold is silent, slow, and incredibly expensive. Lesson: if something feels off in your building, especially with moisture, take it seriously. Water damage never stays small. 5. The warehouse robbery that looked like a movie. Plot 722, 9 o'clock host. A high-end electronics warehouse in New Jersey lost more than $3 million in goods in a single night. But here's the crazy part. The thieves bypassed every alarm, avoided every camera, knew exactly which aisles held the most valuable items. Host investigators were convinced the thieves had inside help, maybe even an employee. But without solid proof, the insurance company had to pay the entire claim. Lesson: if your business relies on inventory, take security seriously, especially internal security. Sometimes the biggest threat isn't outside, it's inside. Outro 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Host: these are just a few of the commercial claims that shook the insurance world, and the lessons behind them can protect a NY American business owner. Now I want to hear from you. Which story shocked you the most? The bird fire, the brewery disaster, the mold hotel? Let me know in the comments. HOST points to camera, and if you want more real stories, real lessons, and real protection tips, do me a favor, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the Coverage Council. Your support helps this information reach more business owners across the country.